me. We have come all the way from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh to watch Dhoni play, and Dhoni is my son's biggest hero. So he has asked me, Papa, I want to watch Dhoni once playing in his ground, because he was very small when Dhoni used to play for India. I was his fan then. But when he grew up, he became an equal and a bigger fan of Dhoni than me. He worships Dhoni every day and night. So he told me, Papa, I want to watch him once. Maybe this is going to be his last season as a player also, because he's not a captain anymore. So we were not getting any tickets. So I told him for the RCB match, the first match, the tickets were all sold out very instantly. The site got hanged and all. So I told him, if you manage to pick out the ticket by your own, go and search your God by your own. So he waked up all night long. He called me up in the morning that the tickets will be open in 25 minutes. He kept on opening the site. When he called me up, he was on 1500 number. He said, I am on 1500. You open the site. I was at my office. So I opened the site and I was straight to 1 lakh something. I said, yeah, I won't be able to book the tickets. What can we do? He said, I have got the tickets. You keep on opening the mobile. I'll help you out. Then I called his mother on a video call to his mother's phone. And I said, I will tell you everything. You just focus on. So it took us 5-6 minutes. The line was decreasing. As soon as he hit the number, he opened. Then we were booking the tickets. They were selecting the seats, but they were not taking the payments and all. We were very, he was literally shivering. Papa, I'm not getting the tickets. I said, go ahead, keep on trying. He actually, UP. Then, he ultimately he found 2 tickets. Then he came to the payment gateway. Now I had the credit card. I told him, I'm telling you the numbers on phone. You just keep your mother's mobile open. So I was telling him my credit card numbers, the OTP and everything. I told him. His hands were like shivering like this. How am I going to do it? Then he managed it. Just open the ticket and show it to him. He booked the tickets on his own name. Then he told me, I told him that once you book the ticket, I will surely make you watch the games. Then I didn't care what the flight tickets were and everything. We traveled from 6 a.m. in the morning yesterday. We came from Prayagraj to Lucknow, from Lucknow to Hyderabad, and Hyderabad to Chennai. We reached here at 2 a.m. in the night. And here we are to make my son watch the greatest hero of his life. You can ask more questions from him. My name is Sharat Kesarwani.
I am feeling very happy, and we were planning to watch MSG's match from 3 years, but we can't manage to get tickets. In 2021, the tournament was held in UAE, so we can't go there. So in 2022, the most of the matches were in Mumbai and Delhi, and after some time it also is also held in UAE. Half matches were in India, half matches in UAE. And 2023, we tried our best, but we didn't get the ticket. But in 2024 IPL, we get.
How happy you are? How much you love?
He is my inspiration. I started watching cricket because of him.
How happy you are? You got the ticket today. How happy?
I can't tell. I can't express.
You are that much.
Yes.
That much happier.
Yes.
What do you think about today's match, Virat? Who will win?
CSK.
SK will win.
CSK will win because because in GT strength in bowling, Mohammad Shami is injured, and his captain Hardik Pandya was also traded to MI. So Shubman Gill have no experience of captaincy. CSK have MSD, but he is not kept leading the team. But Rituraj will make sure that we will win today.
Where are you from?
We are from Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj, and we have reached at 2 a.m. at Chennai.
You are happy to be here?
Yes, very happy.
Your name?
My name is Soumitra Keshri.